Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Robinhood Bank. Is it free to use? Well, the answer is a bit complicated. So let's dive into the details. What is Robinhood Bank? Robinhood Bank is a digital bank that's part of the larger Robinhood platform. It offers checking accounts, savings accounts, and a debit card. Checking accounts. Robinhood checking accounts are free to open and use. There are no monthly fees, overdraft fees, or minimum balance requirements. However, there are some fees associated with ATM withdrawals. If you use an ATM outside of the Robinhood network, you'll be charged a $2.50 fee. Savings accounts. Robinhood savings accounts are also free to open and use. There are no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. However, the interest rate is relatively low. As of the time of writing, the APY is 0.25%. Debit card. The Robinhood debit card is free to use. There are no annual fees or foreign transaction fees. However, there are some ATM fees associated with the card. If you use an ATM outside of the Robinhood network, you'll be charged a $2.50 fee. So, is Robinhood Bank free to use? Yes and no. While there are no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements, there are some fees associated with ATM withdrawals. So, if you plan on using your Robinhood debit card frequently at ATMs outside of the Robinhood network, you'll want to factor those fees into your decision. In addition to the fees mentioned above, there are a few other things to consider before opening a Robinhood Bank account. First, Robinhood Bank is a relatively new bank, so it doesn't have a long track record. Second, Robinhood Bank is not FDIC insured. This means that your money is not protected by the federal government in the event that the bank fails. Robinhood Bank can be a good option for people who are looking for a free and easy-to-use checking and savings account. However, it's important to be aware of the fees associated with ATM withdrawals before opening an account. If you're looking for a bank with a higher interest rate, you may want to consider another option. If you're concerned about the safety of your money, you may want to choose a bank that is FDIC insured. Before opening a Robinhood Bank account, be sure to read the terms and conditions carefully. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. Until next time.